Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm back with my second kit of the day. This is my Shabby Marie fabric perfume bottle kit. I'm very excited about this kit as well because this one I've had in my head for quite a while, and I got the most beautiful fabric for the perfume bottles. I'm super excited about it. I love gold and pink together, and when I saw this fabric I was like, that is just so Marie, pink and gold together. So a lot of the elements in here are rose gold and pink, and I just love it. But anyway, I have made the perfume bottle base for you, and I have left a hole in the bottom because I'm also going to provide you with the stuffing for it. So you're going to get a bag of the filling, the fiber fill, to go inside it. Just for shipping purposes, it will come that way flat, and you can do that. And then all you have to do at the bottom is either use Fabri-Tac or just whip stitch that shut once you get it stuffed. So that's it. But here is the base all sewn for you. And this really pretty pink and gold fabric. I absolutely love it. So gorgeous. Very Marie looking. And in this kit as well, you're also going to get a gorgeous image of the lady herself to go on the front of your perfume bottle. And I picked that image because I thought it went really well. I just thought she looked super pretty on the front there. So that's the image you're going to be getting. And it's a fabric image, so all you do is peel the back off. And what do you get in the kit? Well, some absolutely gorgeous laces. So amazing. I love these. So, the bottle, the batting, and the image so far. The first lace that you're going to get in this kit is this beautiful gold dangle, which I love. Look at this. And it has sparkle in it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but it has sparkle in it. And it looks so gorgeous on the bottom of the bottle here. Look how pretty that will be on the bottom. Just absolutely gorgeous. And then I've added this beautiful trim as well, which is in pink and gold. And there's a nice big length of this one. It will go around the bottle twice if you want to, or you can use it on another area. You could use it around the top here. Wherever you wanted to use it, you could use it. Might look cute around the neck of the bottle too, and also at the base. So if you put this on the base and then put this on top of it, I think it would look super pretty like that. I think that would look really nice. And look how great it goes with the fabric. Just love it. And then this, oh, look at this. Is that not so Marie? So there's two sections here, and if it were me, but again, this is your bottle, so you do what you want. I would cut these roses out, and then you're left with the gold trim. And it's got some tulle at the top, which you can also use to add shabbiness to your bottle. Or you can just put, you know, that on the front of your bottle in the middle and put Marie on there. You can do anything you like with it, but this lace is such good quality. It's embroidered. Gorgeous trim. I hope that the camera will pick up the color. It's so pretty. Absolutely love that one. And then there is this gorgeousness. I can't seem to tell which way is the front. I think it's this way. Beautiful baby soft pink embroidered lace. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely love embroidered lace. It's one of my favorites. I think that's the front. Yeah, I think that's the front. It's so good I can't tell which is which. So you get a nice length of that. And then there is this beautiful piece. And I thought this would be good to go around the neck of the bottle. Like this. You could just wind that right around the neck of your bottle once you have it stuffed. And it's got the little bling in the center and then the little tool. You could do that. And then there is some beautiful pink, soft baby pink dangle trim. I love this lace. And I'm just going to put that on the bottle so you can see it. Look how pretty that is. So gorgeous. There is this beautiful lace. And this pink and white flower trim I cut up. And it's also very hard to find this pink and white flower trim, so I may have the last of it in this kit. Again, I'm not sure which way is up. I think that way. But you can cut each of these little individual applique flowers out, which I've done. And I thought that would be pretty going around the image. Your Marie image there. Wouldn't that look pretty? Because she's holding the rose. I thought that would look really nice. And you're going to get 2 of these beautiful ribbon roses. You're going to get 5 of these beautiful hearts that you can cut up. These are pearl hearts, and they're on a metal band, but you can cut those. Or you can keep it whole. That's up to you. You're going to get some of this amazingly beautiful rose gold ribbon, which is my favorite ribbon, and I love it. And it goes so perfectly with this bottle. Just imagine a beautiful shabby bow on the side of this bottle when it's done. I think that would just look amazing. And I'm also providing you with this really pretty rhinestone and pearl buckle slider. So you can use this on here if you wish. Or you can add some ribbon from your stash or whatever you want to do, but I thought it would look super pretty going through. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. I love that. So you can add that any way you like. I mean, look how cute that would be. Like here on the front. Right? So that's the kit. You get the handmade base, you get the stuffing, you get the image, the buckle slider and ribbon, all of these gorgeous, gorgeous laces and trims, the roses, the little hearts, the pink dangle, this trim, this beautiful embroidered trim, this absolutely gorgeous and stunning trim, the gold trim, this trim, and this trim. And this kit is $25 plus shipping. If you're interested, let me know. I only have 4 kits available. You can find my email in the description box, or you can comment below if you want the kit. But I need your PayPal and your state if you're in the US. And I also need your postal code or zip code as well to figure out shipping. But I'm finding that kits like this and my heart kit are generally going for anywhere between $8.50 and probably $12, depending on where you are in the States. But a lot of them are just going for like $9. And it's this size of a kit. So don't quote me on that, but I'm just giving you a ballpark. But they're not super expensive to ship. And I think that you guys will just absolutely love this kit. I think it's a beautiful fabric perfume bottle. And again, I will have tutorials for both of my kits. That'll be coming up on the weekend. So let me know if you're interested and comment below or email me. Thanks, guys. Bye.